Hello, 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 Misfits. Today we're going to be taking a look at the playtest for Jaden Industries, Cozy Automation Puzzler. Jaden Industries is a relaxing factory building puzzle game about managing compact crafting chains across floating islands. As an expedition engineer, you'll explore a peaceful archipelago, configure production flows, refine resources, and achieve perfect efficiency. The game does not have a release date as of this video, but it has been published and developed by Pushka Studios. It is single player, it does have Steam achievements, and it does have Xbox controller support. I will leave a link to the Steam page in the description below if you would like to add this game to your wish list. Okay. Export. Build a factory to deliver specific resources to the consumer at the required rate. Stay within budget to receive medals. Save the maximum amount of the budget to earn additional gears as a reward. Use conveyor belts to deliver export resources to the consumer. Hold the left mouse button and drag to place a conveyor belt line. Got it. Okay, so we can zoom. WASD to move the camera. You can rotate. So we're going to do a conveyor belt. Nice and simple to start out with. To teach you the basics here, the product goes in through the processor to the delivery here. Simulation start. Once the export resource is delivered to the consumer, you are able to start simulation. Simulation progress will verify your export rate and complete the current island. Any action with instruction will stop simulation. So it looks like over here in the left-hand corner is a little bar that lets you know if your production rate is high enough or not. So we'll hit start. Up in the top, you have your budget. So we spent 80 out of the $100 and earned 125 gears. And we completed the island. Congratulations! You've completed your first island and set up exports, but the journey is just beginning. Your mission is to establish exports across all islands, optimize crafting and delivery to earn rewards, and expand resource extraction across the archipelago. Got it. So there's a hub island. Oh my goodness. Solar, more dust, garden, mercury. Oh my goodness, there's a lot. All right, but they want us to go to the merger. Sure. Production rates. Each craft structure has input and output rates. Output rates decrease if the input doesn't receive enough materials. Use merger to combine multiple belts into one to increase the input supply. Alright, so let's put our merger like right there. Okay, we have an output here. We'll merge it there. And then we have one here. will merge there. And we'll connect it. And connect that one. Alright. And it looks like we're at 0.50 and we need 0.40. We stayed under budget, so let's run the simulation. Island complete. We're $5 under budget and we earned 102 gears. Portal. Select the portal blueprint and place start and end points. Drag a conveyor line straight between islands to place the portal automatically. So this is the portal. It helps jump across the islands here. So we need to get this to here. Alright, so let's go. We have $900. Undo. Like that. And then oh. Oh, I don't know how we're supposed to do this. Because this is gold that has to go there. This is silver that has to go there. Alright, let's connect the silver. Alright, if we put that there, then we can go like that. And put that there. Oh. What the heck? Is this facing the wrong way, maybe? Oh, there we go. That's why. Alright, and then this is just gonna go across there. And then this is gonna go across there. And then connect. Alright, and we're good. Oh, that one took a little longer than it should have. Alright, we stayed under budget. We only used $810 out of 900, and we earned 111 gears. Alright, the X cross. Drag a line of conveyor belts over another one to place an X cross automatically. Alright, so we need... that there, and that there. And then it'll go over and under. Oh, okay, hold on. And then this one's gonna go like this. Okay, and all of our little bars are green, so we will start the simulation. Okay, we completed the island and we stayed under budget and earned 125 gears. Okay, advanced crossing. Place a splitter on conveyor belts to divide the resource flow in two. Use tab to open recipes. Oh, okay. Alright, so this has to go there and there. This has to go there and this goes there. Okay, well, let's do this one first. This one's simple. Goes right there. This one needs to be split. No. Yeah, split. Here. And we'll go like that for that one. And there for that. No. Nope. Nope. Put that there. Then the splitter. Straight. And like that. This goes here. And like that. Okay, we've got the green bar, so let's start. Alright, island complete. We stayed under budget and we earned 107 gears. And 1 medal. Extraction. Alright. Use the pipette on any place structure to copy a blueprint. Use the pipette on a resource deposit to get its extraction blueprint. Okay. Okay. Gold. Purple. And silver. Okay. clearly it's not working. So let's do a splitter here and a merger there. And then is this not? Oh, this is a splitter. We want a merger. Okay, maybe they want us to do 2 of these. Down there, down there. Down there and there maybe? Okay, and then can we do a merger? Yeah, okay. And then a merger there and there. Right, and then we need the silver. Okay. Actually, let's take the purple up and around. Okay. Silver. And then nope. Alright, restart. So we're definitely gonna go with the merge thing like we had. So that one there, that one there. Nope. We're gonna do that. Do the merge. Oh, we're already over budget. Oh, jeez. Well, I don't know how else to do it without having 2 of each. Because with 1 of each, it's not enough. Nope, that's not gonna work. Nope. You can try, but it's not enough. I think we're gonna do it and just go over budget, and that's just that. Then at least we will get it complete. No? Huh. Okay. Actually, let's do this one sideways. Okay, what if we do so if we do a splitter and then a merger. Hello, why aren't you working? Splitter, merger. I don't know why this one's not putting anything out. I have no idea. Alright. Oh, this one didn't work. Merger. Let's do it that way. There we go. There's something backwards. A splitter. Why isn't this one doing anything? Oh no. Oh, there we go. Alright, now. Splitter. No, I can't. Unless we merge it over there, but I don't think that's gonna work. A splitter. Maybe we'll do it like that. Okay. Splitter. And then merger there. That like that. Okay. Nope. Oh, that's the wrong one. That's the wrong one. Okay, so we have here something else out for the silver. I think it's too long of a... Alright. Alright, what if we put... it like that? No? Okay, restart. Alright, what if we do this instead? And then do that. Do that. And do that. Okay, 0.50. Okay, alright. Alright, I have a different idea. It's gonna get a little weird. And I don't know if we'll be able to do it. Okay, and then the merger here. Oh wait, nope. This is for the purple. A merger here. Okay, and then we'll put that there, and then we need you there. Alright, and then that like that. I don't think that's going to work, but we'll figure it out. enough for the silver either. It's not going this way. There's something wrong with this. This is going here. And then nowhere. Oh, oh. Hmm. I feel like I'm overthinking it. This one's got me stumped. Oh, 2 seconds. Oh, we gotta look at the 1 second. 2 second. Oh. Right. Let's just get them across and then we'll figure it out. Alright, can we... No, that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. It's the only... We can try the 1 second. I don't think that's gonna work though. Maybe. Alright, Gold. We're gonna need you to go like that. You're gonna go there. Why aren't you working? There we go, there we go. Oh, almost on the silver. Alright, alright, alright. So maybe we take that out. We don't really need that. Nope, we need the silver at the 2. Okay. Can we... That's not going to work. There's no place else for the silver to be on a 2, right? 1, 1, 5. 1.5. You can try that one. Let's try that. Oh, nope, it needs to be at the 2. I don't know how to get the 2 to work. Is that the only spot you are a 2? Nope, not there. Yeah. Okay, hold on. Yes! We did it! Oh my goodness, that took forever. We went way over budget, but we did earn 95 gears. Okay. The tech tree. Unlock the science lab technology in the tech tree to access the next island. Science is required to unlock further technologies and produce the science lab. Metals are essential for unlocking science lab technologies. Alright. We need 5 metals. We have 5 metals. The furnace smelts ores and other materials. Requires 1 science. We don't have any science. Oh. Hub Island. Science lab can be placed only on this island to produce science. Each structure requires gears. You cannot exceed your gears budget. Come back at any time if you have more gears or enough metals to unlock new, better science. Oh, okay. Okay. have to do that. And then that'll fill this up. Oh. Okay, okay, okay. Let's put a merger there, and then we do that. Start. Hub Island updated. We spent 490 out of our 665 and we gained 3 science points. Okay. So we will unlock the furnace. So now we can go to the smelt hub here. Okay. Oh, now we need to put in a furnace. Let's put it there. Put this, I guess, there. That there, and that there. We have to have 0.40. Let's start and see what happens. We're only at 0.25, okay. I wonder if we want to split and merge it. Alright, let's put a splitter there. We'll put another one of those there. And then we can put a merger there. Alright, now let's try. No, we're only at 25. Okay, let's restart. Make sure these are all two. We'll put one there and there. And then we'll put in that there and that there. Oh, we're at over budget already. Let's do a merge there. Start. There we go. Island complete. We went over budget, but we earned 81 gears. And we learned how to smelt. We didn't get any metals on these, though. Not great, not great. Alright, let's check. The hub island. 2.9. Alright. Can I copy this? Oh, I can't. Oh. Oh no. Oh gosh. Wow, look at that. Ooh, we gained more. Okay, we got 2 more science points. Now we're up to 4. Okay, let's do the silver ingot. And let's see, did that unlock something for us? Requires an infuser. Oh, wait. Oops. Something's over here flashing. Oh, no, it's the technology. The mixer. Alright, now we need to do the mixer map. Right here. Mix. Okay. Alright, so we need to... Oh, I see. I'm gonna do it like that, I think. Okay, and then we want... Oops. That there, and... That there. You're there. We're going to have you jump like that. And start. Alright, we completed the mix island. We stayed under budget. And we earned 104 gears. So now we can unlock the grinder and the infuser machine. Okay, which takes us to tier 2. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Alright, let's look at our recipe here. So we need 4 moon dust and 1 silver. So we're going to need, obviously, this and that. This needs to be, oh my, grinded. And then this needs the get rid of this. Get rid of that. Let's do you this way. Okay, and then we need the grinder there. Then the infuser we'll put here. That goes there. That goes... That's right, that's right. Like that. Fuck. Okay, let's move that. Not that. To there. That. What? Okay, restart. Okay. Let's do it there and there. And then we need the furnace. I forgot the furnace. Which should go here. Put the furnace there. Okay. And then we need the grinder, which is huge. Right there. Right, that gives us that. Then we need the infuser. Okay, there we go. Think we got it set up? No, we're only at 0.75. Alright. Maybe we need more of this. This side's bigger. Alright, so let's do you there and crap. You there. That'll give us 3 seconds. Maybe that'll help. Okay, a merger. Alright, and then a furnace. Okay. You're gonna go there. We need a grinder. There. Like that. And then we need the, oops, not that. Okay, let's start. There we go. Now we got it. Now we got it. All right, tier 2 island complete. We were under budget and we got 113 gears. All right, well, that is where we're going to end our look at the playtest for Jaden Industries. It is very relaxing. It does make you use your brain. As you could see, I struggled on quite a few areas here. I could probably go back in and try to do the two without the metals again, because that will help for doing research and stuff. Gotta figure out how to get our research higher here so we can gain some more levels. I'm not sure how you start to research new stuff or use new stuff to make research points. I actually really like this. It's relaxing. It makes you think. The music is very chill. If this is a game that you're looking forward to, if you're into automation and trying to figure out how to meet goals, this game could be for you. I will leave the link in the description below so you can head on over to Steam and add it to your wish list. And make sure you give the video a like, and I'll see you in the next video.